Welcome back to Property Smart. I'm Charles.
I'm Joy, and today we will come back to our previous question.
So, is buying real estate a form of investment and saving?
To each their own. Some feel that cryptocurrencies, stock, and shares can offer significantly higher returns and faster.
Yes, it is. They also come with higher level of risk and volatility.
But the property market can be complex and unpredictable too.
Definitely agree with you. Every form of investment carry risk, and the key importance is to understand if it is within our ability to manage it. Let us show you some facts. The stocks and share market, if you look at it over a 5 years period, from the very top 21A, it was at 30 over 1,000, and then 5 years later, it is still hovering at 30 over 1,000 but at a lower number. The more important thing is when you look at the dip in the 2020 and 2021 period, if you have pledged your stocks and shares as collateral and pledged to the bank, you would definitely have got a call from the bank to top up your margin. As a form of investment, it would seem that this is a much riskier move.
I can see one of the risks is market volatility, the big swing. Even blue chip stock are not immune to it. I cannot imagine if I have used shares to pledge as a collateral to bank, sure will face difficulties.
No denying. For this, maybe a visit to the doctor to check for heart palpitation suffice. Let's see the next in-trend investment. Cryptocurrency. As you look at the chart, you'll be able to see that in 2021, in March till July, there is a huge 47% drop, which equates to 39,000 depreciation on your monetary value. Again, in November 2021 till April 2023, there was a 54% drop, which equates to a 47,000 monetary value depreciation. So again, do you want to see a doctor? And would this be a good choice of investment?
Wow, this one my heart cannot take it. The ups and downs are even more wild. I don't think it's suitable for most of the investors, especially me.
Yeah lor, this one may need to visit heart specialists on a regular basis. One reason this wild swing is because it is not regulated at this point in time. The safety measures have not been put in place to prevent the susceptibility of roller coaster price. Let's investigate something less exciting. Since 2018 to 2023, you can see that there is a significant increase in the index. However, this increase has been very gradual because of the implementations of all the cooling measures. This is also to afford, as we said earlier, a stable growth. Now, the index has actually increased of almost 50 percentage point over a 5 years period. If you average it out, every year there is a 10 percentage points increase. This is very healthy in comparison to many other forms of investment.
Hey, not bad! This type of investment is my cup of tea leh. No need to visit specialists. Just half-yearly visit to my GP is good enough. No major hiccups to start with. This is something worth to consider if we can afford it.
Yes, Joy, you have a good eye and understanding at one glance. But do you know the reasons for the lesser turbulence?
Has it something to do with policies like ABST and TDSR? Actually, I also kena, but I'm happy to pay for it, or otherwise the property price would have gone through the roof.
Steady.
Of course.
You really like a property investors. Know your stuff well. Yes, in 2011, the authorities implemented ABST and subsequently TDSR in 2013 to keep buyers in check with their investment portfolio. But more importantly is to afford the market a stable growth.
I know that several factors contribute to the stability of the property market. Primarily with economy growing steadily, it tends to drive up the demands and property prices.
Among the different forms of investment, we can see that property offers a safer and stable form of savings. Certainly, the number of visits to specialists will be greatly reduced.
In the next segment, we will dwell more on having property as a form of saving, which will provide us as a retirement egg nest versus the traditional keeping in bank. I'm Joy.
And I'm Charles. Stay tuned to our next Property Smart episode. Do remember to like and subscribe to our channel.